Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming safety and basic parts. Do this now. You must verify seal integrity and spring tension because leaks and overforce cause harm. Once done, fit foam-backed tips sized to the barrel. This preserves aerodynamics while preventing penetration. Make sure to use soft adhesives and avoid adding hard masses. You should also wear eye protection and insist on a safe testing environment, as small changes can alter impact unpredictably, so proceed cautiously and deliberately. Next, refine flight by balancing and barrel interaction. You'll trim tiny amounts from the tail to center mass and improve stability. Once done, test barrel fit. Aim for a 90 to 95% snug contact so air seals without excessive friction. Make sure to use silicone tape for micro adjustments rather than rigid inserts, because that preserves safety. Finally, shape the nose to be rounded and align rear fins. These changes smooth airflow, reduce tumbling, and increase consistent range. Finish with measured tuning and documented limits. You must use a chronograph to confirm velocities and keep readings under 200 feet per second for safe play. Once done, note any spring or air system swaps so you can revert to stock if needed and keep replacement parts ready. If you see wobble, leaks, or foam splits, first reseat seals and reduce spring per load. If problems persist, stop and restore original components. This protects players and keeps modifications reversible and safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.